And this hair she's getting bigger.
Hey! That hand touched my baby's nyash. Your poster will join my own.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of What I Do Best, Comedy Reaction. So guys, thanks for always sticking around. I really appreciate it. And this is another episode, so make sure to watch to the very end and drop nice comments. You know, whatever you think about the video, drop it right in the comment section. And in case you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. It's very important. You feel me? So don't play, my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun. Sabinus, what's this up? I'll shit this mood.
1.5. Well predicted. Oh God. By the time where I don't join my brain, add on to bed fuse. It's a banger.
This one.
Okay. What are the tell people say? Betfuse is the #1 soccer prediction site. People they doubt them for this compound. They don't say today will be the last day where I go come toilet for face me and face compound. From next week now, I don't rent my own house.
Okay.
1 bedroom, personal toilet, shit in peace, peace in peace. This thing where they use public toilet where they scratch me here.
Oh my God.
Betfuse Telegram channel. Just click the link on their bio. Because say na lie. Na lie. Nobody will predict. Betfuse they predict. 2.5. What's in them talk? 3-1. 2.5. I don't chop. 2.3 million. God! Come on! Hello? Yeah! Ross! Hey! Ross! Who's that? Hello? Young man! Everywhere thief! Hello, bros! Hello? Bros! Hello? 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 What you know that they game for thief? Oh, God. Hello, bros. I'm not calling you a thief. Or you just collect 500,000 and give me 2 million.
Now me what you say escape
Bros.
Abi?
Photo.
The person not carry and come out.
Now Betfuse they predict. Now me they win. Another person they cash out the money.
Oh my!
That is the level Nigeria has gone to. People now reap from where they did not sow.
They did not show my brother.
Some of you are just evil.
We try again. No one.
3.2 million naira, you don't whine. Just like that.
Don't worry, we go regret.
Take these phones,
Okay.
charge them for me at Mustafa's shop. Make sure they are all full before you return them to me.
Nothing for me.
When you return them, I have 1,000 naira for you.
All right, madam. Sure,
Make
madam.
sure nothing happens to me.
Nothing will happen. Don't worry.
Hey. Hey.
To buy more way.
Now what you got nonsense now? Drop that money.
Hey.
Don't use that
I don't
money.
carry you.
Now prank you do for you now. Come on, go for it.
Share this money resemble your money.
Ah.
I be con shele. No
Sorry, just
guy
do.
deck your neck.
Which one be that one? Why not going to keep money like this?
Oh shit, that no
Come on, say it. Stay
I don't
yourself.
carry your phone, come on.
I carry am now and I go say I be thief.
Okay, come on for there now. Me will do what you dey do now.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
I bet more than no vex.
Are you serious? People well don't come out.
Hey! Mess up, oh. Mess up. Enjoy your weekend.
They
Somebody
will buy you
help!
phone.
Please help me! Please come and save me, please! I've been here for 3 days now. Please, you need to untie me now before they get back.
You've been here for 3 days and you're looking this fresh. Are you sure you're
Can you
not
imagine?
kidnapped by your family members?
No, I'm serious. Please. Hey, I think that's my fiancé on the phone. Please, can you at least help me answer the phone and tell them where I am? They must be looking for me everywhere.
You must be very stupid. I can't lie to you. It's not just one of your hands that is tied to the tree. Can't you answer the phone with the other hand? Are you stupid?
That's true.
Can you imagine?
God have mercy upon us.
Please, can you just come close?
And do what?
Can't you see that I'm traumatized? As a real man, the least you can do is to stay close so I can feel protected and safe while answering the call, please.
Malone in voice. So you want me to come close while you answer the call, right?
Please.
Now I think things are getting very, very clear now, so that you guys can all come out from nowhere and get the job done, Abi. Man, feel chaos.
So you got sense.
I guess.
I do get sense.
Yes, sir.
This one where you come and say, so all serve you good.
Okay. Now that money we promised me now I can collect.
Which money be done?
That one okay now.
What's going on here?
Oh, my brother. See, I'm not going to lie for you, bro. This is bad for me this period now. Sakpa did knock me left and blue. You know the way I take day before now. You know the way I take the 5G if at all, bro.
Yes, now what can happen?
See, bro, now long story. Now my wife when I married, now they support me this period. The wife, it's like close to 3 months. Now my wife they support me.
Jesus. You don't reach like that.
Look at the tell myself now married now. I'm not gonna know what I want. I'm not married, bro.
It is shocking.
Marriage is good. I don't feel like for you.
True. I don't hear you. So how would you do this thing now?
Okay. You don't money with my wife won't give me. If you give me, I will bust you for inside. Now, you know my guy. Now.
My blood.
I believe you, bro. They call me so. You know, and hey, my love, how you doing?
Hey,
my love.
Who is Jennifer?
Jennifer.
Yes, babe. Who is Jennifer?
I don't know. What are you? Is that a name of a person?
Who is Jennifer?
I don't know who is Jennifer.
Bro, no.
Okay. I want the mine also.
Bro, you dey go?
Haji.
Bro, don't worry, relax. We on our family. Don't worry, I go settle the matter.
If you don't tell me who Jennifer is, no one is staying in this house.
What is your problem? Talkless.
It is in a play.
The breadwinner don't talk.
Babe, what's going on? I don't understand. Talkless.
I beg, let's go.
What's your problem? I don't understand.
Cheat for me.
Cheat for you how? I don't understand.
Baby, you're cheating on me.
Talkless. Afa, show now.
We'll see later.
Talkless. Babe.
You're cheating on me.
Babe.
The Lord has done it.
What's what you do for you?
The Lord has
that he walk. I tell you, say go walk now.
Now start the test of my guy. Come out.
Cholo. Have you done this house enter before?
Okay.
Now this house purpose. Now this house enter.
No problem. God will see us.
Agkaay.
Let's have it.
Now don't get script to avoid billing.
You don't understand. Why you go enter person? I call the big person anyhow like this now. For this hard economy.
Sorry.
When you know how things be.
Sorry, Chama.
Next week now my picking school fees. I don't know how I want to pay.
Abio.
Calm it down for me, okay? They don't rush me, okay?
Chama, take. Now I keep this one.
For waiting now.
Now for the picking school fees. Haji.
Point of view, 40 plus man meets rude Gen Z.
Ṣé pé àwọn ọmọ tó soft gbé nínú estate yìí? Gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ léyìí o. Alpha Secondus lọ pè wá fún mi.
Madam, Oga dey call you.
Who is your Oga? Abeg and busy abeg. See my Oga dey call you.
Oga no go like hear that one o.
Ask your boss to come and meet me here. I'm not going to move an inch. See my Oga will not like it. Who is your Oga? Your Oga don't chop.
Yeah, I want you spit.
Sir Alpha.
But down low.
Dá ẹ lóhùn kẹ̀.
You never see anything. You never see anything.
Mo ti mọ orun àwọn ọmọ Gen Z yẹn.
Yeah, ó fine girl, sir.
Ìwọ náà láìkọ́ tó dùn.
Ó like it.
Ẹnu ẹ gọ̀ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Má wọrí màá kápá ẹ̀. Wọ́n wá park mọ́tò yìí.
Let's go.
Oga don show. Don't come down.
Yeah, they hear the sound. Now phones with that.
Arẹwà mi.
Oh, your Oga.
Èmi náà ni Mr. Huncho Nini.
Oh, no, come down now for day there. So they say na play.
Huncho Nini tó ń cho.
Huncho Nini come. No, carry your hunchback come on for here. So this one I do, this one I do for you.
Ṣó lè tó yẹn ní farabalẹ̀. Bá mi sọ̀rọ̀.
We not really send you for here.
Hello.
We not really send you for here.
Davido kọ́ nìyẹn.
You know him?
Mo ṣẹ̀gbọ́n fún Davido náà ní Tesco l'Amẹ́ríkà. Jẹ́ kí n fi dá ẹ lójú náà wò.
You know him?
In fact, èmi ni mo ní pé kó drop album yẹn before me. IJebs.
Kí ni IJebs?
IJebs ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà Adéwì ni.
Okay. Hey, David, Mr. Huncho.
Ó dáyàn wọn. Tomorrow said there. Said on content creators of you.
Penny.
She might like to content in Paris.
Mr. Huncho, you the truth.
Cholo.
Oh, we don't buy a phone.
What's all they do for you?
70 66 34 38 22.
Choo. I like it. But they are like make sure for me, Shobo.
Kizadi.
Because old enough to be your daddy.
Young enough to fuck your mama. Young enough to fuck your sister. Young enough to fuck your
Sir, I saw to let, and I'm very much interested. That's why I came.
The new landlord.
Are you married?
Outrageous house
Happily
rent
married, sir.
increase.
You have kids. By the grace of God, 4.
4?
Yes, sir.
What do you do for a living?
I'm into the oil sector.
Oh, you work in an NPC company?
No, not an NPC, I beg you. I sell palm oil.
Oh, God, you go say you did sell that oil. Which one be working on oil? Who you want to see? Anyways, you see this house? They collect 1.5. Conscious fee, in fact, total package is 2 million, and they collect 2 years.
For area whenever develop. This place never open eye now. House where would they rent 250,000, 2-bedroom flats, 3-bedroom flat, 350K. Yes. When I don't make things hard, difficult for person, life don't hard person for me.
Hey! You know the shame for yourself. No. See this house. This next compound, so small boy will not this your age. 18 years, they drive Benz. Now he rent 3 million, and he paid for 4 years. Now you there here, you pay cheap house of 200,000 at your age. Instead of you to go also, do what your mate they do.
Pressure.
Now you find cheap house. Get out of my compound. One small
pressure.
You go pay 4 years, 2 million. You go pay for this house.
I pay 30 million
for our head.
What do you believe you did? That small boy go do bad. They go come, they go demolish your house.
When you go, they don't price match.
I tell you so.
Babe, please now, accept my proposal and everything will be okay.
Please, I'm not interested. Including you and this flower. I don't want.
What's going on here? I've already ordered iPhone 16 Pro Max on this way. Call me, accept my proposal and everything will be fine.
Including you, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this your flower. I don't want it.
You didn't say I didn't charge for passing me.
See, let me tell you, my new boyfriend Festus, he has already promised to buy me a car. Who knows if he's going to get a cyber truck or even a Mercedes Benz. Please go now. Go.
Nala.
You want use. It is 5 minutes when you want post it for you. If you go post it for your own self.
Just they go.
Who take her? You say what?
Baby, where they go?
I'm going out.
I don't say they go out now. Where are you going to?
Why did you want to know? Oh my God.
Babe, I suppose to know now.
Okay. I've been here since yesterday. What have we eaten?
Babe, why you ask me the question now?
What have we eaten since yesterday?
We saw Gary sugar and granite plus milk.
Hey! Can you hear yourself?
I hear myself.
Okay. So tell me one reason why I shouldn't go out.
Babe, she tell you say you get money I expect tomorrow next. If the money come like now, we'll buy something for us. Now if you go soft,
See, you can keep waiting, but for me, I can't wait any longer. I'm going to the market to get food stuff.
For which house?
Here, of course.
Babe, wait. You mean say you want to buy food stuff or cook for this house?
Yes.
You mean now?
Yes.
Blast,
Blast.
Oh, babe, you tell me say you don't get money now.
I was just trying to observe you to know if you are truly broke.
Yes. So you don't observe me finish?
Yes.
Okay. Babe, see, I know say I dey broke today, but tomorrow I go be NBA.
Amen.
Oh yeah, now I go the clean kitchen wait for you now.
Babe, have you forgotten we've not cooked since all these days?
I forget the kitchen clean no. Hey, babe, you got to go with your handbag now.
I can't go anywhere without my handbag. Okay.
What do you want to buy for that your handbag from inside market?
Babe, you and this your trust issue.
See, I trust you, but I don't trust this movement. Drop your bag.
Okay.
Let's have it.
You anything I do with you?
Yes.
Oh yeah, now why the blood Jesus eh?
Namumu dey go boutique, the original one dey here. Even high fashion, na here they buy am. Come check am here, the original one be this. See am here, Oga. This one original.
Now how much?
You see this one like this, na 30,000. But because say na boy to boy, I go leave am for you 20,000.
You be correct guy. I'll be
10K just like that.
Every morning.
I call your account.
36 74 89 34 GTB.
You say?
Trust Bank.
GTB. TV.
I'm on a first man to first man cafe transfer. You go collect. What they would they complain? Give me cash.
You got a video. Well, I'm breaking hand because of this.
Madam, are you the rider?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm the rider. Okay. Good day. Yeah, well done. So where's my package?
Oh, your package. Okay. Your dress, Abby.
You never see her.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
What? Hey! You want my dress? Yes, now. Why now, madam? I just help you to check, maybe to size you now. Are you insane? Size me how? Come help me to walk this shoe, please. You must be crazy. Help me to walk shoe now, madam. Just to you want my dress? You mean you want my dress? I don't understand though. Which kind of customer be this one now? Oh my goodness. You don't even want me, make I don't even fall down. Which kind of customer be you now? Are you okay up here?
How you go
madam now? You dey shout. You don't say I even wear go club yesterday. I don't see one customer like this. Why you gonna shout for my head now? You mean you want my clothes to the club? Nah. You don't even want to see I no lost them. You dey do like say they do like this.
Jesus.
No stress me. I know the like wahala. I don't talk I no go fight today. But if you want straight in today, I go beat you blue black. What they do you now? I don't get time, bro. Read my motto. But I don't understand your about. Okay, we see your head here. You say, oh, sonu, lakpa abi, which means say, if they lost for a year. Yeah, and if you lost for a year, no find them. Now you go lost for this estate. You see this estate. You are not living this place. Now lie. You see this dress. You must pay for it. Your company must pay for it. You are not living here. Even me myself I shop.
Tó bá ti pé òun ò ní cooperate pẹ̀lú yín ẹ fọ́ lójú ẹ yà lárọ.
Brother, excuse me, brother.
You want to give Pluto?
Do you know that this girl you are carrying is a witch? This girl is possessed. This girl is a destiny sucker. Ha! Our parents booked delivery session for her. She refused to come. My brother, if you know what is good for your destiny, avoid this girl. She will drain you down. Just give me 10 minutes. Okay, leave her now.
No bitch boy, no love that make me.
Now white people know the air people.
He said give me 10 minutes.
There's no need to read the Bible. Do you know that fornication is a sin? This thing will damage your spirit. As a man, as a young man going, you need the fruit of the spirit. My brother, I'm talking to you. What is going on?
Jesus.
Hey! Oh, Jesus Christ.
Jesus.
Kalabush.
No me got those videos.
Man of God.
Who are you?
You say you want to deliver her. So if you deliver her,
Deliver with. That's where you don't give full deliverance.
Ha! Pastor, you got to trust man.
Pluto, I just go deliver her now.
since when you told pastor?
5 minutes ago.
Madam, if you like, don't greet me. But behave yourself. People should behave yourself in this country. What's going on? If anything happens to you on the road, that they will say justice. Behave yourself.
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you.
It is only dogs that will see a beautiful girl flaunting her body that will get erected.
Hey, don't you know that men are moved by what they see?
Let them go blind. Even wear glasses when they see me.
Okay. I pity you and this generation, eh? I pity you people.
There is enough hate in this country for you to give me hate. See, when next I walk past here, don't even breathe or even talk. Rubbish.
Gotta go. How bad that?
Mazi, no get work.
Mazi, good afternoon. Mazi, I want to climb the stairs.
Please, I'm praying. I'm communicating directly to my God, please. Don't distract me.
Mazi, I cannot climb up while you're seated there.
Why can't you climb up when I'm seated here?
My one way I'm going to go. I don't want you to see something.
You are joking with yourself.
Mazi, go now. I
will stay here. I will bring my bed and lie down here.
Mazi, excuse me. Hey, Mazi, adjust your seat. Mazi, leave it. Mazi, leave it.
I'm in the mood of watch. I'm in the mood of watching, please.
You want me to look?
Leave out.
It's it.
Afa, calm down, guy. Now, which kind of thing be this now?
Sorry,
just cover your mouth now.
Daughter, sorry.
Ew. Guy, now, which kind of thing be this now? See my body now. This is so disgusting. Try to calm down now. And I tell you, sir, they in a hurry. I don't even want me people know, sir, they enter bike from here. Now. I beg, do fast, Jare.
So sorry. I will do now.
I'm find that bike, I beg. I just find that bike.
No point on that one power.
Which kind of thing be that
when
now?
I say you make it ready. Go do now. Right here, you touch the window. Oya, muje.
No shot for my head.
No, police, they take this place now.
Wait to consign me.
No, that's what I'm story about. Now go there, pa.
Now go there for waiting. After you don't promise to do everything for me.
Sorry.
I bet just take your money, make you go, Jare.
Hey, I no get change, pa.
You don't get change.
Make a pie change.
Find them. Stop.
Can the beer good have you? Okay. Can the beer good have you? Babu. Beer good have you? Babu.
Just they go. But now the change I want you to go back safe.
Kai, now go there, pa. Thank you.
They go.
Thank you, pa.
If you see my baby, you go shut up. Thank you so much for allowing us to marry your daughter with 20 naira. You will live long.
Wait, I don't understand. So wait till they try to save to start not allow you marry my daughter. I don't go live long, eh? Everyone know okay.
Ha! No, now that's not what I mean, Abi.
For where?
I bring the 20 naira. She the sister na 20 naira una dey use marry my pikin. I know they send my pikin for now. Mona take care of this girl for me. Now the only app where my eye they see be this.
This is also my own watermelon. He will take care of her. He's capable.
I dey cook scatter.
What sort of rubbish is this? Like, are you this local? Hey! What happened to French fries or all these intercontinental dishes?
To a fool. You got the war. In French, it means you are mad. When she send your address when they come marry her from her house, which state you see for that address?
Enugu, sir.
You see anything like Paris or France?
No, sir.
You don't say you don't want to use this to enter your body now. You're chopped up.
I don't want trouble.
Why are you treating me like this? How can you say such a thing?
I stayed 24 times and I was there. Men of my calibers, they do more numbers.
So you get the man they cheat 24 times?
No! I was talking about the 4G bet. It's a new betting platform that gives much more bonuses.
Now 24G betting they talk about.
If you think I'm lying, just register and use the promo code Loudy. You see the heavy bonus you will receive. If anybody registers and navigate to the affiliate program session, you can be earning 100k weekly just by creating your own promo code. I'm encouraging people to come and use it. You don't even have to be a celebrity.
See this girl, bro.
All you just have to do is just to increase your betting profile. And I wait approval from customer support. That's all, sir.
Baby, no way, wait to be fine here.
Yes, Daddy.
30 years later.
Honey, this hair she's getting bigger.
Hey! That hand touched my baby. Your post will my own.
That one we are not going to tolerate at all.
Even for your old age.
Let's watch this video. Some film. Let's go. Bros, I beg, excuse me. Good afternoon. I beg. I dey look for house. Who don't say na self-contained or one bedroom flat?
No verse, I don't really know anywhere for this place.
Nothing at all.
You don't like me, they give answers.
Okay, well done.
Kiriku, no, they take nonsense.
Well done. You look for us?
Yes.
Now short plug be this. I be short plug like better agent. Short plug now be.
Now just they waka. I dey look for self-contained or one bedroom flat.
Self-con. You did follow me?
Short plug.
Excuse me.
Continue. What's the agent? No problem.
Kiriku, this one only way we fit see money to shop to survive. Any IP will just find any house given.
Sure.
I sure now.
Boss, as they
Hey, more they go. Time not day.
But I need to pay for movement fee.
Yes, movement fee.
Movement fee?
Yes.
How much?
Now 10,000.
10,000.
Very cheap.
Man, transfer to your account.
Oh, yeah, transfer.
Transfer from my own.
To your own. You get account?
Yes.
Oh my God. Call the account number. Kiriku no they take nonsense. Okay, I've sent it.
I'm going to go now.
You're not far from here.
As Kiriku tell they use his brother brain himself.
Brace and hop.
God forbid. You go faint, though. You go faint. Body go tell you.
I don't carry my guy walk up and down.
Some people will come here and could have killed a lot. I'm telling you.
No completed video.
Come, boy. And they told you now where the ass one I saw that walk carry me go.
Why they touch me now? Now me tell you say ask they.
Who go see?
Baba, me you calm down. Now you see where they go for compound to compound. We go give you house now. You just relax.
Agents they go combat to combat. Where you don't see where say agents. Agents not get specific place when they go.
Actually, we not be as agents. See, now land agent will be. We just try our best to look for house give you.
That nonsense you just talking, not consign me. After I don't pay movement fee 10,000 naira, you tell me something. Where my money?
We are good, no problem. Kiriku, give her the money, more go.
Which money?
The 10K now.
Now movement fee you pay for not be asked 20 years up.
No worry, just give her.
I then shift. You are stressing me.
Come, she's on. After they pay 10K, now you they tell me this nonsense.
I test her condition be down. Try the ask question.
No worry, I don't get problem with you. Now your uncle come. Pay my money.
Body go tell you.
I go scatter your thing to the craze. Pay my money.
Because I beg you, go like rent land.
You go like rent slap.
You.
Punish poverty. Exactly.
Go punish poverty, my brother.
If you make full-grown men like una, bath, wear clothes, come up for house, go meet another.
Let us open the door.
If I raise, you are ready to go enter. You are doing. Now she be the odogu now. Now she be the odogu. I forget about that place. Idiot. I swear to God you will regret today.
This girl, you be gold digger.
Oh God. Why are they kidnapping?
Come. Hello, Baba. You don't catch one girl.
With the look of this,
One man begin.
this one will be pure virgin.
For where? Virgin care. No, because of this guy.
No, I just get a chance to go and pray to God for more customers tonight. And you see, I got it very fast. They just supplied me with 3 hefty men, beds.
Anyway, this one you per 3. I didn't make 3 some discounts here. I charge per head.
Hey!
Yes, and I charge 100,000 each person.
Hey!
Short time, 80,000. Which one are you going for?
Oscar.
I mean.
Men and they are forbidden audacity. And they are forbidden audacity. This same guy again.
No, I'm sorry. We just got here. We've not ordered anything.
Very wicked man. I see black.
Okay.
Hi, thank you, sir.
Thank you?
Babe.
Why are you telling him thank you?
Babe, calm down.
Oh my God, the audacity of this man in Lagos.
Courtesy,
Why is he buying me a drink? Do I look poor?
Sorry, please,
Don't tell me I'm sorry. I don't want this. You don't even know him and he's buying you stuff. What courtesy? Is he trying to say I can't pay for what I want to buy? What kind of nonsense is this?
Okay, I'm not drinking it.
I don't want it either.
I'm not drinking it. Okay? Can you calm down? This is a public
You know what?
setting.
Let me go have a quick talk with him.
Babe.
No, please, just stand aside. Just let me handle this.
Sir, you're beginning to raise your voice, and if you don't calm down, I have to escort you.
What do you mean I should calm down?
Please.
What do you mean? Are you not the one that I gave the stuff to come and deliver here? You tell me, is that ethical?
Calm down, please.
Is that ethical? Is that right?
Matter wey dey grand. We never say to am o si wa nle Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè settle matter.
I'm very sorry for what happened, sir. I'm really sorry.
Why is he speaking so much English?
You can be very temperamental, sir, and I'm sorry about that.
Anyways, you look good, but if I appreciate them.
Thank you, sir.
What's the name?
Rejoice.
Orúkọ tó tún dáa. Huh? Ṣọ́kọ ẹni.
Oh, it's a promise ring, sir. Yes, sir.
Is that the best he can do for you? Babe!
Are you angry? I'm going to kill you.
Don't come close to me.
I was just trying to talk to him.
Please, just go.
Babe.
Don't come close to me. Leave.
Babe,
Take your bags and leave. Give me space.
Please.
Leave, man.
Okay.
Another struggle.
Everywhere I've scat out. Everywhere I've scat out. Rejoice. Now.
So we've had enough chaos today. I don't want more trouble, please.
Farabalẹ̀ jẹ́ ń gbé ẹdán náà now.
I'll rather go.
Wàá kọ́ gbé ẹdán náà ni. Run o. Èsì tutu.
So you just drop me halfway. Oh.
Wọlé ṣe.
But I'm not going to follow you to where you're going to.
Kashima wo.
Please set your phone to airplane mode.
She's on. She's in Kukuma they get eyes, like shit in their eyes. Just leave me they go now. Leave me they go. Why they stress your life?
Hey, God. What's up?
Aboli, what's the problem now?
What's up? Now for you know see men dinner. I dey be na.
Wow. You can't make my mind fly.
Why your mind go dey fly now? Your mind na bad. I there for you now. Now for you. But like this now, me I bring business for you.
Which kind of business again?
Very lucrative business. This one no be the more you look, the less you see.
Now you can't throw away slippers up and down.
And I love how they show you now. Now make I bring this business to show you more love. Now for you.
My mind don't fly.
Now sugar mommy.
Sugar mommy?
I got you.
You pay?
You pay. Now today sugar mommy start. Now from Bible now.
Sugar mommy for Bible?
It start from Bible. Now what for you?
Sample.
You never hear of Potiphar's wife?
Now sugar mommy?
Now the first sugar mommy for the world. Now she told Joseph, now the first sugar song. You know, in the delay, darling. Now what for you? She don't even buy a house for Lekki no gree.
Lekki the Bible.
Now queen way home on where she no fit buy house.
I will be this one.
What for you? I say like this now can make you the Joseph of our generation. I go lie for you.
Me?
Now what for you?
This generation.
I go the life for you. Now what for you? I say I get Potiphar's wife for you.
Potiphar's wife for Port Harcourt.
Now what? You know the yarn Potiphar's wife for Port Harcourt. I gotta lie to you. Now what for you? Now I seen a very lucrative thing. I feel call her and say me she dey come. But now what for you? You go find me something.
If I come.
If I come. If like no man change, I go dey go.
Go come now. Call her my bed. Come my bed.
Hello, mama. Big mama. Mama, I get one pino for you like that on a fresh guy with handsome guy. I get the light to give. And I did just back up that backyard where I been meet you that day. Now if you just come, just lap, no, you go see. In the way for you. No shake, mama. I say this now, mama agbalagba. Now so you go find me the thing.
Make I see what your feel is for you.
Bro, you still want to hide with you? They give me.
Nah, love now, but I go counter.
They know the bro, this woman go bless you past like that. You know understand?
You feel so?
Now what for you? Be Joseph of our generation.
Oh, wow.
Jojo! Jojo!
You know shows how much you. See your slippers now.
No shake. I go.
See the second one.
No, I leave. I go buy another one.
Okay.
The phone's there.
No, Allah.
Yes, sir.
Are you the one?
Yes, I'm Joseph.
Oh, fine guy.
Well done.
Fine man.
Yes,
Oh, a man, I got a very fine man.
yes, maybe today.
Bro, I don't tell you sorry now.
Calm down.
Bro, what's up with you guys now? Now, for another day, they argue Sabinus the toast on her mama. See, I'm not see funds now. They push the money, they enter my. It force me collect the money.
Jesus. Wait, my mother.
Okay, why they hold your brother now? I said that they told your mama. He even called himself the Joseph of this generation. Say your mama na Potiphar wife.
Your papa.
Oh yeah, man, let's go now.
Let's go now.
Swear you. Swear you.
Brother.
Check out.
Auntie.
Oh, but you are telling me follow this. I made this man not to hammer.
I'm not running, bro.
I'm just done.
I'm done now.
You get mine, though. Come wait, see, wait me there your name, Seth.
Joseph. Oh, sorry, Sabinus.
So you get mine, they toast my mother.
She's toasting me.
Today, I need bottle.
But I know it's bottle. You stick.
Just done.
I'm done. Hello, I'm on it.
Come on, just press on the two talkie.
I'm on it.
Now the woman fine and come now. I know this one na operation. In there on own, now the woman fine and come. You don't fight the woman go. So why not find the punish and can't live with our own moms? Woman we get to now as children. Once to go they find somebody like Sabinus. Now him be say when our home no day in order now. That's just the simple truth. But anyway, thanks guys for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section. And please make sure to check out my other videos. There's so many of them and they are fabulous. Check them out, subscribe, drop nice comments, and share my videos. So, see you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.